We have the Rhino Tour today that I'm super excited about. There's a little extra magic that supposedly will happen during this tour, but I don't want to say anything in case it doesn't happen, so I will let you know after we are done. Until then, enjoy the walk into Disney's Animal Kingdom. Look what we found as soon as we came in. It's divine. Checked in for Up Close with Rhinos Tour. Are you so excited we're gonna see rhinos?
Yep.
What do you think we're gonna get to do?
Rhinos?
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
You don't know? We just got done with the Rhinos Tour. It was amazing. What did we get to do?
Pet the rhinos.
We got to pet the rhinos. And how many rhinos did we see?
2.
What were their names?
Candy.
Kendi and Kiyama. Both with K's like you, huh? That was pretty cool. And what did the rhinos feel like?
Like a coconut.
Like what?
Coconut.
Like a coconut. So it wasn't super soft?
Well, it was.
It was? It was soft skin, but it was like kind of hard, huh? And then they had mud on them and sand on them. And there was little teeny tiny pieces of hair on them, huh?
Yeah.
It was.
And we had to wash our hands.
And then we had to wash our hands after we were done touching them. That is right. So, if there's one tour that I'm going to tell you to definitely do, it is this Rhino Tour. It was amazing. Definitely hands-on. You got right up there with the rhinos. The handlers of the rhinos are so knowledgeable. You can ask them a million questions. They know everything all about it. Plus, we got to go backstage.
Yeah.
And backstage at Disney is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
It absolutely is. All right, well, those are the drums. We're sitting behind Tamu Tamu. We just got a Lion King ice cream sandwich, and how was it?
It was so good.
It was so good. All right, well, what are we gonna do next? You wanna do the animal trails next?
Yep.
Okay, so say see you later.
See you later.
Stand here all day.